Okay, this is my exit window in the one of the bunk beds, and my dog was up here looking out the window and busted off this clip that holds this bar shut so the window doesn't rattle. Looks like this. He just snapped it off. So this is put in with rivets and not screws. I guess so there's no sharp points back here if somebody's trying to get out the window, but I'm going to drill these out and put this on with some new rivets and replace that. I think it's a 3/16 inch rivet, so I'm going to use a 3/16 inch bit to try to remove that rivet. So we got those out, and then the new one's just going to go right back in the same place. That's the 3/16 rivet right there. So that should be pretty good. Only thing is it's a silver rivet, but I'll just paint it with some black paint maybe. By the time the screen goes on, you really don't see none of that anyway, I don't think. It's kind of hidden. Looks like this is the old piece that's broke, and the rivet fits in that. Probably because I just drilled it out, but the new piece, the hole's a little smaller, so I'm gonna drill that out. It goes in the back. Oh, there, that one fits, but this one doesn't. So I'm just gonna drill that out a little bit. And then you just got to make sure the, I don't know what you call this, I guess it's the shank. This part right here, just got to make sure it's long enough to go in, so just going to go like that. That's how it's going to go. Okay, I got my rivet gun set up for 3/16 rivets. Basically just goes like that. Put it in the hole there and keep pressure on that, and then just squeeze it in place. And once it gets tight enough, it just snaps off the back. Just like that. There we go. So probably, I don't know, I might just take a Sharpie, color them black. Once the handle goes on, it's hardly noticeable. You know, it's real dark in this area right now. I got the light on just so you can see, but that's all it takes to fix one.